Okay.
Oo. Actually, medyo hindi ako yung parang nakasalo. Pero hindi mama ko. Gusto ko lagi siyang kasama. Clingy mom pala. Clingy mom. Pero masarap din actually, sabi ko nga, good decision din pala sa akin yun. Na kapag konting time on set ako ng 7 months siya. Because I was able to pass her on to Yaya. So that, ngayon, pag umaalis ako, lalo ngayon kasi mahilig ko, Mama! Nahirapan nga ako malis kanina. At least, kahit umiyak siya sandali, kakalma din siya agad. Kasi I can imagine kung hindi ko nagawa yun, I didn't get her used to the Yayas. Kaya ako aalis everyday. Iisipin ko pa yung wow, umiyak pa rin. Minsan nga tawag ako, parang dead man na siya sa akin. Pero ano naman, tsaka ano ako, selosa ako. Tawag siya ng ibang mga yan. Kaya ako, I have more than, parang may main yaya. And then my PA, who's been my yaya for years, yaya number 2. Kasi syempre, hindi naman ako laging on set. And she's so great. She has a 5-year-old. She has 2 kids. The other one also, but they're all great. And then, pag nakita ko na-attach, parang, ako na. Still love mama. Miss mama. And then, you know, parang I'm like, you know what? It's good that she loves them. It would be, parang, mas nakakatakot kung pagpili nila, umiyak sila. Love niya. So, pero meron akong gano'n kasi gusto ko nga ako. Gusto ko talaga ako. Kaya lang sabi ng bank account ko, girl! Ikaw, paano? Okay. Yeah, and not just bank account. Like, you know, I have GoPasis, you have all these things. You're a friend. You're a wife. You're many things. A lot of things. So, can't totally remove all those hats. I mean lesson, the workload, but I have a responsibility. I made a commitment to Shitos. And then it's so hard because sometimes, you have all these things and like, there are days like, you miss, yung parang wala akong nagawang maayos. So, I was late for this, I didn't get to deliver this, the rest. So you feel like, I didn't do anything properly today. So you're not like you weren't there as for your baby, na yun na nga lang. At least dati kasi pag nasa set, nabakay ako. Grabe ako. Nabakay workout ko. Saka wala akong gano'n na yung baby ko. Ngayon laging think about my baby, yung ganito. Tapos sabi ng friend ko sa akin, you have to stop trying to do everything.